Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. This is week 17 through the 23rd of Purple Haze month. And of course, I'm grabbing my purple washies. I went through all of the books that I have and I pulled out some things, and I got some things that I actually made myself, like these squares right here. I got these from a paper pad that I'm going to be using some of the, these little cutouts from. And here's another cutout I'm going to use from the paper pad. This is an image I downloaded off the internet. And here are some flowers that I pulled out of one of the boxes, and quotes. And let's see. I got these things. I don't know if I'm going to use anything off of it. And I got this thing right here. Appointment. I don't know if I'll be using anything off of that little thing either. And I got colorful boxes here and rainbow. And basically I know I got these for the checklist. Okay, so let's get this started. I'm going to start by laying down some washi. Let's see which ones am I going to use. So I'm going to use 3. This one is not from this particular collection, but I'm going to use that one. I think those look good together. And then something with sparkles in it. And I think I actually used that one already. What if I use this one right here? Not you, this one. So we're gonna try these 3. Okay, I've already started just this one right here. So I'm gonna put the solid across the top on both sides. I'm going to use this one next, and then this one on the 3rd line. So I'll be right back once I get these down. I just made it to this side, and I'm using this tape, and it is thin, and it won't show up unless I correct these or remove these dark lines right here. So I got my corrector here, and I'm going to just use the correction tape over that and then finish. I remembered that I had this one, and it's from Oshishi, or as everybody else call it, LOL. And I want to put this on the bottom. Just right down here. Just because I don't use it. This will be my first time using it. And it's purple. Probably should have saved it till next week, but sorry about that. And I'm at this awkward angle again, and it's just, yeah. So let's get this on in here. Okay. Alright, so we got that done. Let me get my focal down. This girl traveling. I wished I had some travel icons, but I couldn't find any. I didn't really look that hard. But out of all the books that I looked in, I didn't see anything about travel. So I'm just going to put her on here. This Miss Girl got it going on. I ain't mad at her. I'm going to be a big girl just like her one day. Traveling. Just put her right there. And you know what? I had I think I was going to put this up there. This love right here. I wonder if it'll cover that up. Yep, it will. There we go. So I'm actually liking that. Let's see. I got Love is Everything right here. And I got some flowers. And I'm going to put this on the weekend. I know that. Kind of like what I did last time. I think I might put it closer to the bottom. Because this is like, I use this one in theory now. I use this one for like personal stuff. I use this one for Tasha's Craft Corner, and then I use this one as Tasha's Beauty Cafe, which rarely gets used. So I'm gonna put this one down there like that. Let's see. We got Love is Everything. It's gonna have to go. I might not be able to use one of these, and I'll peel this off because I don't want to overload one particular spot. So I just put Love is Everything down here because I could steer right over there if I need to, which I seriously doubt I will have to. But I could put this one up here if I need to. Let's see what else we got. I got these flowers. Look at these gorgeous purple flowers. Yes. Purple is starting to be one of my favorite colors. It's a beautiful color anyway, but I'm actually loving it. I guess I'll put it right here. Well, let me come back here. Come. I see it sound like I'm tearing it already, so let me just pick this up out of y'all way right quick so I can cut this off. Okay, now let me put this back down. I just want to cut that little bit off. There we go. Yeah, I actually did it right. Have mercy. I'm shocked. Something actually went right for a change. And I got this Be the Very Best Version of You. And I do want to put this down. Oh, come on. I think I'm going to put it about right here. There we go. And we got more flowers here. I don't think I'm going to use this big one though. I might put this little pinky one. This little purpley pinky one right here might stop. Look, it's got a little friend. Put the little friend back. I'm just going to put this right here like that. And I think we're going to get him on there. So let me find my Art Glitter Glue. And here it is in this little container. I'm going to try to put a whole lot, because it seems to warp the paper if you use too much wet glue. And I'm just going to put it on this side over here. And that's my AC unit if you guys hear that. And let's see. Let's put a few of these boxes down. Even though I don't anticipate using them, but like normal. I'm going to put this one right about here. And that looks like it's going at an angle from right here already. Let me see. I don't know why every time I put something, it goes at a downward angle. Maybe it's the way that I'm sitting. I don't know. And I think I only have 2 of those bigger boxes like that, which is fine because I got some of the other boxes. What are they? The ones from Colorful Boxes. So I do have some of those. And I'll just put that one right there. No rhyme or reason, just put it right there. And let's put a couple over here. Okay, and put 1 or 2 on this side. Okay, that'll get it. Cause it ain't like I got nothing to do. Okay, I'm gonna take these little bitty flowers and put them inside the boxes. I think that'd be cute. Like these little bitty ones right here. Take them and put them inside of these boxes. How about that? I think that's cute. As my BFF says, cute. Put these here just for extra decor. Got one more. What if I can find another one somewhere? And where did I find those? That's the question. I don't even remember which book they came out of, but it's okay. I got this one. I wonder if I could put Weekend Love and it wouldn't look too crowded. Just put it right there. That's not too bad. I don't think so anyway. Oh, here's some of these asterisks. If I put a couple of asterisks in this box. There we go. Okay. We're getting there. I got a couple more asterisks over here. Maybe I could just put one in the box up here. And we'll put one over there. Okay. And do I have any more asterisks? I know I got another book like this, but I don't think so. That's okay. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had to dip out for just a second. I'm trying to see if I have some more things to put, and I think I want to use these two the check boxes. I guess that's what the checklist things. And right now I'm just putting decorative items in. Let me see if I got any place to put them. I can put one right here. I suppose it wouldn't hurt. Just in case. Oops, that one's really crooked. Okay. One right there. And I just put one right there. And I think we'll be done with this spread. Let me find it again. There we go. Okay. What did I say? Right here? Let me get something, just cut that off. This, I'm almost sure it's not going to be straight. So don't talk bad about me. I got this little piece of purple flower that was left on there. Just shove it up here. I just hate to throw the little, it ain't but a little piece, so it's insignificant, so it can stay right there. Okay. And let me put something, well, I guess I can leave it because that means those two don't have it, and that and that and that. Okay. I think this is gonna be it for this episode or version of Purple Haze Week. The week of the 17th through the 23rd. Oh my goodness. Okay. Can you guys see that? Okay, you know what? Let me put it in the book so you can see it. Good. Okay. Let's see if we can get the whole thing in there. I think that's about it. There we go. And this, guys, is my spread for the 17th through the 23rd of June 2019. This is the continuation of Purple Haze Month. So guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.